Hello there everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk you through 4 really simple earring designs using beads from the Bargain Bead Box and a couple of components from my stash, which I will leave links to down below. Now I'm going to move all of these out the way and we're going to get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is make all of the charms I need. As I have made charms with you before, I will just make a couple and then speed through the rest. These ball pin heads are from my own stash, that's why they are slightly bigger and why I can put these bead caps on them. If you're using the Bargain Bead Box ones, I'm sure the pin head isn't big enough. And then I'm using one of the red rondelles, one of the white rondelles, another red, and then another bead cap. And then I'm going to make my wrapped loop, so bend with enough room to wrap your wire, grab your loop pliers or your round nose pliers. I only want a small hole, wrap around the wire like so for a nice secure charm. Trim off your excess and push away any pokey bits. Lovely and simple. And like I say, we're going to do all of the charms we need just so we get them out of the way. So I'm going to do the next one with you just to show you one more time. This time I'm going to make the single charm again, so I'm going to be using one of the English cut crystals, one of the Z beads that we got, and another English cut crystal. Bend your wire with enough room to wrap your loop. Wrap around your round nose pliers or your loop pliers, and then wrap the wire around the other wire. Trim and push away the pokies. I will meet you back when we have done all of the charms. So I'm showing you what beads we need. We need a white rondelle, we need our blue small rondelles, an English cut crystal and another zizzy, and we need one of these red cathedral beads and 2 of the red rondelles. For this earring I had run out of the ball headpins from my Bargain Bead Box, so I used these flat headpins instead. Now that we have made our charms, we can work on to building our earrings. I am going to be using these closed steel loops that I got from Aliexpress. I will link the video up there, and I will put the links down in the description box below too. The first earring I'm going to make is this long dangly earring. It's an extra long dangly earring. I really like this one. I am going to be using a 20mm ring, a 30mm ring, and a 40mm ring. I will also be using these 6mm stainless steel jump rings. And these stainless steel cross pin earring studs. They have a loop on them. They are 4mm. So what I'm going to do is go to grab a jump ring, stick on the stud, make sure that is facing the right way. I might do a bit of swapping around here just to make sure everything's facing the right way. Put on your 20mm hoop and put on your first charm and close that up. To attach the next bit, again you want to grab a jump ring, hook on your first piece, hook on your charm, hook on your 30mm piece, and then hook on your charm. And same again for the last piece. Grab your jump ring, hook on your existing work, and then hook on your last loop and your charm. And this completes our first design. Now to move on to the next one. The next set is the next easiest earring, I believe, and it will use 3 of our rings again. This could actually be counted as the easiest of the 4 earrings because all you need to do is grab your jump ring, grab all of those rings, grab your stud with the loop, or indeed if you're using a fish hook you can use a fish hook as well. Then grab your charm and put it all on the one jump ring like so. And that is that one done. Another gorgeous set of earrings. To do this earring, I am first going to attach the charms I made to the chains. I have 3 lengths. The longest has 12 links and the shorter 2 have 10 links. To attach my charms, I am simply going to open up the link on the chain here. And then I'm just going to slide that charm on and close it back up. I'm going to do the same with the other 2. Once that step is completed, you want to grab a jump ring and put all 3 of those on in order and close up the jump ring. Once that's done, grab another jump ring and put everything on the jump ring. Put on your stud, put on your ring and put on the chain. And that is our 3rd set of gorgeous earrings, and we're going to move on to the final set. I left these earrings till last because they are a little fiddlier, not much, just a little. We're going to be using the 30mm hoop again. And this time my chain lengths are 2 times 10 links, 2 times 12 links and 1 times 14 links for the middle. And I am simply going to open up the link in each of these and attach them to the closed steel loop in order. This may require a little fiddle because the steel loop is a bit thicker, but as long as you open it wide enough, if you open the link wide enough, you should be fine. Now that you have all your chains on, that's the worst part of this earring done. Now for the last time, grab a jump ring, grab your stud with the loop, put on your charm and your ring, and you have completed the 4th set of earrings. I really love all of these earrings. I think these were beautiful. I'm going to lay them all out again for you here. As I say, these earrings were so much fun and so easy to make. I really hope that I have inspired one of you, or perhaps you want to make these exact earrings. If that's the case, please show me. Please consider joining our Facebook page and showing us all your wonderful designs. Thank you for joining me. Take care. Bye bye now.